Soldiers reportedly mistook stick for a gun in fatal Maxfield incident.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Residents of the lower section of Maxfield Avenue in St. Andrew are demanding a full investigation into the circumstances under which Errol Cavan, also known as Fisher, was shot dead by soldiers on Thursday night. They used debris to block sections of the roadway on Friday the 2nd of October, claiming that Cavan was killed because of the long-standing problem of unlit streets in the community. According to them, 48-year-old Cavan, who earned his living by selling fish, had just left Woodfield Avenue and was heading up Maxfield Avenue sometime after 9 p.m. when he was spotted by soldiers on patrol, carrying 2 plastic bottles and a length of stick, which he usually brandishes like a rifle. Residents theorize that because the street was unlit, the soldiers mistook the intoxicated Cavan for a gunman and shot him dead. His brother Maurice and other residents said Cavan was well known and loved throughout Maxfield Avenue and was a peaceful man. Without giving details, the police's corporate communications unit said Cavan was shot during a confrontation with a member of the Jamaica Defense Force. It is said the matter has been reported to the Inspectorate and the Professional Standards Oversight Bureau, as well as the Independent Commission of Investigations. We need resources like infrastructure, water and light. Through the lack of electricity, the soldier them couldn't make out the man in the darkness. Them think him have a gun and fire upon him, one man said. He said that the problems faced by a lack of infrastructure went beyond safety concerns. Them coming with online classes. How the youth them are going to learn when there is no electricity and no internet, he asked. We're using the death of Fisher to bring attention to the fact that we need basic resources such as light and water. Because if the street did light up, the soldier them would have get to say him was harmless, the resident added.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!